You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this name from Greek, the personification of peace. So how do you say it? Well, in English there are two different ways that are used, even though in Greek this is normally said as Eirene, Eirene, but in English it is either said as Eirene or Eirene. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.